Good afternoon, everyone. You are in the greatest project. So, mo na tong topic karon. So, remember that whatever that you are creating right now with your passionate to do about in your life, remember that you have a greatest and you are going to a greatest project. Whatever it is, maybe you are freelancer, video editor, graphics designer, whatever job that you have right now, just live and believe that no matter what the circumstances you are facing right now, keep it going. Remember that God is in you. He's not against you, but He is for you. So your plans, your goals in life, things that you want to do in life, even for me, for my family, I want them to live in the lives to the fullest. So I want them to experience to live a life to the fullest. So I've been doing it right now. So you need to sacrifice everything you need to do in life. So you have to sacrifice about it. Remember that you are in your greatest project. And you know, a lot of distraction, a lot of things that could bother us. Maybe we distract ourselves to pleasure. We distract ourselves, especially for men, for lust, or the website that we use and we going through. So delete all those files or porn site that you're going right now. So imo pang uh, take karon or imo pang ginalantaw karon. So remember that put those distractions into garbage, into trash. So you are in the greatest project, and that's what I want you to do today, especially for the men. So believe that God is in control in our life. Jesus is the way of everything what we do right now. So allow yourself to be corrected by Him and ask for wisdom. Ask the divine wisdom for God so that you can move away toward your greatest project. Keep going and God bless everyone.